Hey guys, so we're about to tackle the topic logarithmic function. So before we start, let's identify what is logarithmic function. So a logarithmic function, it is a function in a form f of x is equals to log bx such that b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. So here, we need to remember that x must be positive because there is no way to raise any number or any power to get a negative number. So it is always positive, not negative. And b must be also positive and not equal to 1. Because 1 raised to any number here or any exponent is equal to 1.
In addition, common logarithm is a logarithm with base 10. It is customary to drop the number 10 because it is understood. The natural logarithm naman is the natural logarithm of a number is its logarithm to the base of the mathematical constant e.
Class, this is teacher Jillian Almarata, and I'm gonna be the one who's gonna discuss about converting logarithmic form to exponential form and vice versa. So stay tuned, and I hope you will learn better. We're gonna start converting logarithmic form to exponential form. So we have an example here that we have to answer. Number one example is the logarithm with base 2 of 32 is equal to 5. So let's start. The first thing that we need to do is we're gonna put our base. Our base here is 2. That is why in exponential form that Ernest discussed earlier, ito yung una nating gagawin. 2, that is our base, and our exponent or power here is 5. So let's put it here, and equals our x is gonna be 32. As simple as that. And we're done with number 1. Let's move on to number 2, guys. Number 2 problem is the logarithm with base 10 of 10 is equal to 1. You might be wondering bakit 10 yung base natin, bakit 10 yung sinabi ko, wala namang number dyan. It is because it is called as the common logarithm. It is discussed earlier by teacher 1, Ernest, na common logarithms, customary na understood na may 10 sila. Hindi lang pinapakita. Okay? So, it is understood na our base dyan is 10. And our exponent there is 1. And our x is equals, our y is equals to 10. Okay. So, yan na yung naging answer natin. Remember guys, this is called as the common logarithm. So guys, dahil tapos na tayo sa ating number 2 problem, dito na naman tayo sa number 3 problem natin. It is read as the natural logarithm of x is equals to 2. You might seem confused right now. Bakit ganyan siya? It's because may natural logarithm talaga yon. So, dapat you have to remember kung paano siya i-read. So, natural logarithm of x is equals to 2. Ang natin gagawin is e. It's because natural logarithm based dyan is e talaga. It's called constant e. Constant yan. It will never be changed. And our power is 2. Yan. Equals our x. Charot. So, let's put it. And we're done with our number 3. Just remember na that is a natural logarithm, right? Okay. So, after this, let's move on to our exponential form to logarithmic form. Let's convert. Ito na naman tayo magko-convert, guys. So, what is this? una nating gagawin. Let's start with our number 1 problem in converting exponential form to logarithmic form. We have 7 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So, to transform this to logarithmic form, it will, trust me, it is super easy lang. Okay. Una natin gagawin is, syempre, let's put log. And next step that we have to do is to find our base. Kanina, yun yung ginawa natin. Ngayon, let's find our base. Of course, dahil sa meron tayong structure na dyan, kanina, this is our base. We already know that this is our base. Kasi yung form is, alam na natin yung form na b is to the power of x is equal to y, right? So, yan. Log 7. Be careful in putting the base. Kailangan na ganyan talaga siya. Hindi siya yung mas malaki, okay, or pantay lang sila. Kailangan na mas maliit to siya. It's smaller than the other, okay? 7. And our x is 1. And of course, wala nang iba. 0 yung equals natin. So, the logarithm with base 7 of 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Good job! Now, mag-move on na tayo, guys. Number 2 na naman tayo. Huwag tayong mag-focus dyan. So, okay. 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 81. So, simple lang. Log, of course. Una natin yung log kasi logarithmic form siya. And our base, of course, this is our base. Huwag niyong kalimutan yan. 3. Kung ayaw niyong magkahirap-hirap yung buhay. And our x, where is our x? Char. Finding x. Ito. Haha. 81. So, wala nang iba. Si 4 yung equals natin. And we're done. Malapit na tayong matapos. Number 3 na naman. Una, log to the base 10. Ito equals ito. O, diba? Tapos na yung problema natin. Huwag nyo nang problemahin yung problema. Kaya, goodbye guys! Thanks for listening to me. I am Teacher 2, Jillian Elmarata, and have a good day. And stay active.